channel. Psych! This is my YouTube channel, and I'm sorry I haven't posted in so long. It's just been horrifically traumatizing for me for those 2 weeks. Like, I had my exams. Like, oh my god. Like, I couldn't do YouTube because I had my exams. And yeah. Just kidding. I just was lazy. I'm sorry. If you guys actually enjoy my videos, then good for you. I really don't care. I get like 2 likes a day. I get 2 likes per video is what I mean. So this slime is called Violetly Awesomeness Slime, and it's really stretchy and it's really sticky. If you just put your hand in there and you just like lift it up, it like sticks. But it's not enough where it gets badly sticks. So I'm home alone right now, and I have absolutely nothing to do, and I'm just bored. So yeah, hope you guys like this video, and if you do, probably bad satisfaction, so I'm just gonna be quiet. So I'm just gonna make a bubble now. So yeah, bye guys. Hope you guys like this video. Bye.